Going on, everybody? We're on our way to the airport with my good buddy over here. Shout your YouTube channel out.
Street Image Media. Check me out.
See, you got the camera.
Yeah, we ain't playing around. We going to Stockton, California. We gonna pick up this new project for my channel. So if you wanted to check that
What's
out,
the whole project? Let's show them the whole project. Hold on.
what's the whole project? Oh, bro.
Project we ain't even finished.
Project is not finished at all.
You got too much stuff, man.
So
Just a little glimpse. Just a little glimpse.
a little 50 5.0 Mustang. Soon to be sold, hopefully. But yeah, we're on the way. It's pretty late. I don't know how long this is gonna take, so it's gonna be an 8-hour drive. So hopefully everything goes as according to plan and no mistakes or accidents.
So
whatever.
you're going to Cali.
Yep.
You're gonna go get another. I'm not gonna say what it is.
Yeah. When you guys see me pull up, you better be awake. It's gonna be like around 3 in the morning. So I'll pull up and then I'm gonna wake you up, and then you come outside. You could probably see a little something, and then we'll continue it that very morning. So yeah. Hope
All right, guys. We got some hours to go.
Yeah.
I'll catch back up with you guys later.
Peace.
Peace. If you know, you know. If you don't know, almost to the airport.
The excitement is real.
Better be. For what you're about to pick up, it's unreal.
This time, the moment I get to the house, I'm gonna edit the video. Mark my words, guys.
This guy
Heard it
has
first.
this guy has so much footage he's not putting out. Tell this guy, get in the comments and let him know. Let you see the videos he has hidden. He has plenty of content.
Well, I did lose like how many?
No excuses.
Four memory cards. Now I'm like left with one, and
All right, well this is your little get back. This is your time. Drop this guy off so he can go get that gem and bring it back. Let me slow down before I get pulled over. You miss your flight. You won't get your car.
Yeah. We don't need all those problems.
Nah, we'll tell them what the car is. They'll understand. They're gonna give us that escort like they did in the truck in the semi. Got your mask?
Yes, sir.
Shit.
I
Right.
waited too long for this. You know, I came here prepared. Of course, I forgot the most important, my driving glasses.
This guy.
I'll be fine though.
Alright, man. I don't think you need to come right here because you already checked in, so I'll drop you off in the middle. Get on this plane. Bring back this gem from Cali. Why Cali always got the good cars, man?
Always.
No rust, no nothing.
No rust. That's what I'm talking about.
Original. right, buddy.
All right. Where do I go? I'm lost already.
Right over there.
This way.
All right, man.
Until we
Safe flight. We'll see you in about 12 hours.
12 hours, yeah. Down the street. All right, like.
All right.
See you.
All right. I'll be back on here in a little bit. Show you guys what that gem is. All right, guys. We are back live. Waiting for this damn car to show up. Current time 3:35 in the morning. Now I dropped him off at the airport. I think that's the text, everybody. It's been 10 hours. He says he's pulling up. Let's see where he's at. I know it's a little bit dark, guys, but I wanted to make sure I get you guys this footage. Let's see. Where is he gonna come from? Where is this guy at? Everybody's waiting to see this car. What y'all think he got? Another muscle car? Let's see. Don't worry, tomorrow in the morning I'm gonna get you guys some good footage. Man, I'm tired. I know he's tired. 9-10 hour drive. Dedicated. So he's pulling up. Let's see. You don't see too many of these cars, especially this color, in this condition too, rolling around. Is this him? Man, we don't see nothing. Is this him right here? Let's see. Let's see. Here we have it, guys and girls. Midori green EK hatchback. All the way from California. You guys remember this guy? You made it back.
Just like that, we come back with a new car. Check out the front end, boy. You gotta take care of things down here.
If you guys can't see it right now, this guy went to Harbor Freight, picked up 2 rolls of masking tape. You're not gonna do this unless you know damn well this thing is clean. Clean, I tell you. You drove this from where?
Stockton, California. Yep. It was a little trip. Started getting tired in the last like 3 hours. But
tell us what's so special about this car.
So
Quick little.
So this is the Midori Green EK Hatchback 1996.
Only made in 1 year, right?
Only made between 1996 through 97. you can't really find these cars in this condition. It's manual transmission, and when I say this is mint, and this drives like any other of these, better than the Denali, I swear. Watch, you're gonna try it out, but it's like perfect, like shifts smooth. I was amazed, and it was an easy ride. I just started getting tired because of lack of sleep, but I'm ready to clean this up tomorrow morning, tonight, if anything. But
when he says clean up, he's a detail.
yeah, don't mind my mess. You know what I'm saying?
That's travel stuff. Look at him. Got the music going.
Nice. Let's show the little hood.
This is one of his cars. He has many cars.
Oh, well, maybe it won't work because.
Just wait. If you guys want to check out the rest of this car, check him out on his channel. Where can they find you at?
Street Image Media. Street Image with the image has two eyes. So STREETIIMAGE Media.
I'm gonna make sure I put his name in our description there so you guys can go ahead and check him out, see his builds, and check this thing out tomorrow because he'll have some content up for you guys.
I'm excited, man.
Congratulations, sir. Alright guys, I'm gonna get you guys some more footage tomorrow when it's daylight so you can really see that green, because this thing is amazing in person. See you in a little bit. Listen, man, I had to take the car for a quick spin. This thing is nice. Now factory, the car comes manual. It's manual steering. There's no power steering back in '96 for this hair car. That wasn't. I'm pretty sure you probably get it as an option, but just right off the factory without picking it came no power steering. But you can't even tell. Look, I'm one-handing it right now. No issues. This car drives amazing. This is nice. It's all quiet, no road noise. Whoever you got this thing from was taking good care of this car.
He said that was like his baby, and he doesn't go fast with it. He just cruises.
That's all I would do is just cruise, man.
Yep. He pulls it out, and then people just like, oh wow, like damn.
If you're into cars and you know about imports and Hondas especially, you know damn well most of these cars, someone always wants to do something to them.
Modified.
Always modified, and sometimes, majority of the times, it's some half-ass shit.
Yeah. You'll see tomorrow morning where it's all day. We'll do a little review of the car and see how everything is still stock.
The only thing that's not stock is this stereo.
It's just the stereo.
That's me granny shifting, I know. It's all good though.
I was about to say,
She got a good bite here, man. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you a quick little rolling shot, but we'll see it tomorrow some more. See you soon. You know I wasn't gonna end the video without pulling up to the gas station lights. It's a damn lane, that's the staging lane, beauty lane. You gotta get those little gas station lights. Car is, it's just dusty, dirty. But wait till he cleans it up, I'm telling you. This thing is nice.
yo, if you look under there, it looks clean. Like no signs of salt on the ground anywhere. No rust, no nothing. Good tires. retouch all this, the moldings and that, so it can be nice and black.
Clean.
I gotta even modify this thing, man. Look how clean this is. And
Well,
it's not even clean because I haven't put my touch yet.
still got all the factory stuff. Look at that. That's crazy.
Still got the grommet, everything.
96.
It just sounds, the sound of the beauty of the machinery.
AC blows nice and cold.
No leaks, like it's been sitting for a while, and then 0 leaks at all. How can you ruin something like this?
Shouldn't.